Today I'm going to run through the installation steps for the new EasyLOK Philmac range of metric compression fittings, which covers sizes 50 to 110mm metric pipe. You don't really need any specific tools for to do this installation. Standard multi-grips are fine. You can also use the Philmac spanner, which is particularly useful in sizes 90 and 110. Standard pipe cutters are useful too, but a saw is fine. The only point, if you use a saw, you need to make sure that when you cut the pipe, you clean the burrs from the end of the pipe. There are no other pipe preparation required. You don't need to chamfer the pipe, and you don't need to lubricate or anything like that. Okay, so the pipe is now ready to go, so we'll go through the installation steps. The difference with this style of fitting is you do have to take it apart. So the first step is you take the nut off, then you've got your split ring and collet, which are together, and it's helpful if you keep them together when you do the install. So first of all you put the nut on like so, then you slide the split ring and collet onto the pipe, then you put your O-ring on the pipe. The next step is you bring the body onto the pipe, bring the components up, then the nut, and then tighten the nut by hand. You then take your multi-grips, like so, and tighten. It's important with this fitting that you get the nut all the way to the flange of the body, or as close as possible. Okay, one more. The fitting is now fully installed. One of the advantages of the EasyLOK metric system is its ease of disassembly. With this range, you simply loosen the nut, like so. And because the components come apart, it's very simple to take it all off the fitting. Take your components off, split ring, and the whole system comes apart very simply. And then you put it all back together like so, and it's ready to use.